Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and as you guys can see here, we're going to be going over the GSI mess kit. We're going to be seeing what's in this box that has to offer for only $30 on REI and Amazon. And we're also going to be using it to cook something. Guys, as you can see, we have the GSI mess kit. It's very lightweight and it has like a non-stick coat, so oil, butter, not necessarily a must. And guys, this is really good, like one person or maybe like even family to cook a meal. And it's called a mess kit, but it comes with a frying pan, plastic mug, which is like nice quality. It's not like those like cheap dollar store kind of things. But sorry, dollar store. And it comes with this, which hooks on the side, and you cook like this. This is like the handle. It comes with a plastic bowl, and it comes with a 1-quart pot. And it comes in this like little mesh bag, which is really, it's the dimensions are 8 by 8 by 34. And GSI, you can find this at REI and Amazon, and it's about one person according to the box. And we're gonna be today, guys, we're gonna be making quesadillas. Over here we have the ingredients. We have some quesadilla shredded cheese. Right here, guys. Kroger brand. We have some little mini sausages that we're gonna be cutting up and putting them in. And then we have some street tacos, mini bite size. And, you know, non-stick, no need for the butter or anything. We're going to be pretty much going over, like, how to cook a meal. And guys, I'm getting the stove on right now. Usually you'd be cooking on a camp stove. Usually camp stoves, you have to connect the fuel bottle. And sometimes you have to use a match or a lighter. I'm going to put this on medium. Oh dang, this thing gets hot quick. So first of all, you guys are probably thinking, why we're making quesadillas? Because this is a very easy, lightweight, and it doesn't take up as much weight for your backpack if you go backpacking. First of all, we're gonna get a tortilla on the pan, guys, and then we're gonna get out some quesadillas, cheese. I'm gonna turn that one low. Heat up nicely. And in the meantime, guys, you actually might want to do this first. I'm gonna cut up some sausages because we need some meat. We need that protein. And guys, help us reach our 50 subscriber goal. If we reach 50 subscribers, we might be doing a merch giveaway for one of you guys lucky subscribers. So make sure you subscribe. Since we're only gonna make one tortilla, I'm just gonna cut like some sausages. You wanna cut half, like hot dog way, and then cut half again. So it's like these, bite size like these. So cut it in half, like this. So it's like, so it's like this, and then we cut it in half, and then you wanna line them all up together, like all right next to each other like this, and you wanna chop this way into tiny pieces. Guys, this also works with shredded chicken. I don't have shredded chicken right now, so I'm just using these sausages. Cut in half. So you want to cut hot dog way. This is a very easy recipe, guys. Put in the comments what other kind you want to see. This is our first video of our cooking series. Make sure to follow us on Instagram at camp_nation_YouTube, YT, actually. We have a lot of sausage. That should be enough, guys. And first of all, okay, so we're gonna first of all make sure you wipe your hands. And get some quesadilla cheese. Yeah, that's totally enough, guys. Try not to get any cheese on the pan because cleaning that off might be a problem. Because we have some quesadilla on. Then we're going to get on some of our fresh cut sausage that we have. Dang it. One sausage probably was enough. And guys, one thing that this thing doesn't come with is a spatula. So you might want to have to bring your own. Hands are good. We have that right here, guys. And Once you get that, like maybe cooking for a little bit, throw on your second tortilla on the top. Maybe a little press down for a little pressure. And I'm just gonna do this here. This is not included, guys. The knife is not included, the cutting board is not included. And the food's definitely not included. Maybe press down a little bit. This is really fast, guys. And this is a really nice, enjoyable meal when you're backpacking. So definitely recommend. Flip it over. It's looking nice. Guys, you can use different types of cheese, like Mexican blend or whatever, cheddar cheese. After this, guys, we're going to be testing how it tastes, and we're also going to be showing you how to clean. If you guys gone camping before, you guys might have different ways of cleaning it, but we're going to be showing you how we clean them. It's almost ready. Guys, I think it's ready now. Let's bring it on over to this plate. Turn off the stove from heat. And if you guys, this thing is actually cut off. As you can see, plate, non-stick. I didn't use butter or anything. Very easy, guys. And let's come over here and check out our final product. Our nice, now get that crispy quesadilla, guys. I'm gonna cut it in half. This is a very easy and a very enjoyable meal, especially if you've been backpacking all day. Usually I use different kinds of cheese, but this is a fine. It's cheesy. Let's hear that really crispy. Whoa, that's good, guys. Cheesy quesadillas with sausage. I'm gonna cut it once more, and we're gonna be tasting them out. How do they taste? And we're gonna be giving one to the cameraman.
Yep, right here.
Right here, credit.
As I can see him right here.
He's also, we're both in the channel. And are they good?
They're really good.
They're actually good.
They can be better, but these are really great for camping.
They're really great, easy meal. And guys, we're about to get cleaned up and situated here. So we're gonna leave that. I'm gonna have some friends come on over and eat these. They're really good. I'm sorry, guys, but we didn't use our bowl. Maybe a little. You can drink a little hot cocoa or drink some oil. Ah, got you. Don't drink some oil. Guys, this thing may be hot. It's probably the reason why the handle's hot because I'm cooking on a stove, not a camping stove. And let me grab some. Let me grab some stuff. Wait a sec, guys. You don't. I'm gonna get some mittens, guys, and grab the stove. I'm gonna show you how to clean this. Guys, if you're cooking something that has like more crumbs or something, you might want to scrape this off. Scrape it off, but gently, or else you might ruin the non-stick coating. And that's a bowl. For that. When you're on a camp out, cleaning might be different. You might have little dish soap and bottles. You want to scrape off all the food derbies you can. I suggest also rinsing it after you scrape them off, just like a little rinse to get the minor ones out. Little dish soap. And sponge. Kind of get a little wet. This is like pretty much what you do at home, but camping, you might be cleaning it differently because of like maybe how much water you have.
And it's very easy for a quesadilla because it's not a really big mess. All you have to clean is basically one pot. You don't need water, you don't need anything. So it's very easy to clean.
I'm actually going to take off the handle here. Guys, help us reach our goal of 50 subscribers. I think we can do this with all your guys' awesome support. And make sure you follow us on Instagram where you'll get updates about the newest videos coming up. And maybe a little sneak peek, like little short clips of the videos. Guys, now I'm gonna just hand wash it. When you get home, I'm pretty sure these things can go in the dishwasher.
Yes, they are dishwasher
safe. And cold water. I mean, wash it with a little hot water. And guys, let it dry. Unless it's raining, you can wipe it down. It just looks like new, guys. And we're also going to show you how to assemble them. So I'm going to dry these up. Wait a sec, guys. Let me get something. So, and also, guys, when you make your mess kit, you might want to line it. Do you want me to line it?
Sure, why not?
Let's wipe it down because we're going to be putting it back right away. Usually, you'd want to let it dry off.
Air dry about, I don't know, 20 minutes, 15, depends how wet it is.
And your sponge, guys, this thing is a must dry. If you don't dry it or squeeze all the water out before you dry it, it could get moldy, and you do not want that, guys. That's terrible. And
it is not that expensive to replace, but why replace it if you can take care of it?
Yeah. Guys, sadly, we didn't use this today, but maybe if you guys comment, we'll make something with the pot. Maybe easy pasta. And so first of all, you want to get the bowl, this, and then sometimes if you have like a full mess kit, you want to put like napkins to line it, so like maybe the bottom doesn't scratch and you don't wear off that non-stick coating. And I'm not exactly sure about the warranty on this product, but I'm pretty sure you can find out on the website. And once you have the bowl, you want to line it, I just suggest it so it doesn't scratch. Plastic bowl,
and it's
cup on
great
top.
for backpacking and hiking.
Very lightweight. And put this thing on top. Just like that. And we want to get our little mesh bag right here. Mesh bag. So guys, as you can see, these are really good. They're a steal for the price, $30. I don't know what to say. This is a really good deal. Probably good for like backpacking.
It's aluminum mess kit, not steel.
Aluminum, lightweight, and it fits like this into your backpack. And guys, I think that's it for today. So don't forget to like and subscribe. See you guys next time.